Here we are on the FJ55 project with quite the surprise on Friday when we started playing around in this quarter. Obviously the quarter had some bubbles and we knew there was some underlying issues. What extent we weren't quite sure. This is why paint can be very deceiving. As you can see, our wheel well reveal here is gone, the bottom 6 inches or so. The lower quarter is missing. But if I had to guess after the paint was stripped off, we're going to end up replacing about up to here all the way around. Pretty basic panel to build in our fabrication area. The wheel reveal is giving us some kind of difficulty figuring out where to start on that. But the other issue here, which is really strange and completely unexpected, is this. You see the brown flaking rust, which obviously is an issue. More than that, you see the pile on the floor. This is after being swept up a few times. But here is the real problem. There's no actual sheet metal left here. All that's left is the bed liner, or Line-X, I don't know which brand exactly. But as you can see, there's no metal left. It's strictly Line-X holding this together. So obviously once we get the quarter cut off, once we make a panel that'll fit the outer skin, we'll have to make a high cut and repair the inner, which a lot more work than we expected here. As you can see, the inner wheel well too is being held together by the Line-X. Not an end of the world type thing, but definitely more than we expected, and a relatively difficult panel to build. I've been scratching my head on this one for a few minutes here trying to figure out how to make all this, but in time here we'll get it figured out. See around the back of the quarter panel, we've got an issue up here as well, which obviously means from here down has problems. The top of the wheel well as well has some coming through, probably an 8-10 inch piece there. And the bottom of it on this dog leg actually looks like it's held together. Leaving the truck together with the doors bolted on right now. We have rocker panels out being made at a sheet metal shop for us. Because of the length, we don't have the equipment here. So we had some made for us, and we're going to put those on before we go too far. But definitely some work coming up in these quarters. Nice, interesting, challenging project here for us, but we'll get done. You'll see the steel work as we go.